Okay, everybody, welcome back to the main room. Welcome back to the main room, and thank you very much for this questions, everybody. Okay, now raise your hands, everybody, if you want to give your perspective. If you if you want to give your opinions, everybody, on our topic tonight. Here we go. Come on, raise your hands, Subir. Yes, Subir.
Yeah,
Your opinion,
in
please.
my opinion is
Okay.
when we speak any language, the important is to have uh, the grammar, harus punya sastra yang bagus. Apa? It's not important uh, who them, nggak terlalu penting kalau semua orang tuh have the good accent. Nggak terlalu penting
Okay.
dia tuh punya good accent. Yang penting the important is who have the good grammar. Yang penting
Okay.
punya sastra yang bagus itu.
Mungkin bukan grammar ya, saya koreksi sedikit ya Mas Supir.
Iya,
Tapi pelafalan ya,
iya pelafalan.
pelafalan bukan tata bahasanya ya. Karena banyak contoh orang yang tata bahasanya amburadul, tapi dia survive, dia bertahan hidup di negara berbahasa Inggris.
Iya,
Pelafalan mungkin ya. Oke, terima kasih Mas Supir.
oke.
Thank you very much Supir. Thank you very much. Okay, I would like to call Randy. Yes, Randy. Your time, Randy. It's your turn, Randy.
Thank you, Dimas.
Okay.
For
Yes.
me, the most important thing in speaking is that the person we are talking is understand what we said without discriminate without apa ya kayak it's like without discriminating the accents
Okay.
because every accent has its own unique.
Yep.
So I disagree with labeling the accent good or bad because each accent in the language give us the opportunity to continue to learn, to appreciate the different language.
Okay.
That's all.
I agree with you, Randy. I agree with you, but unfortunately, out there, a lot of
Mhm.
people still thinking that there is a good accent and a bad accent. Saya setuju dengan Mas Randy. Ya unik. Tapi sayangnya di luar sana masih banyak. Oh ini nih logatnya nggak bagus nih. Indian English, for example. Mohon maaf, tapi ya ini faktanya.
Mhm.
Japanese English, Russian English. Ah nggak bagus nih. Mungkin ya dimaksud yang nggak bagus itu kita susah mengertinya. Mungkin ya, probably ya.
Mhm.
Anyway, thank you very much, Randy. Thank you very
My
much. Okay.
pleasure.
So Nana, yes, Nana. Your opinion, please, Nana.
All right, thank you, Dimas. For me, yes, maybe they are a lot of back accent in this world, but for me it doesn't matter because that makes their that makes them unique, and that's part of their identity, and that's okay to have a bad accent as long as they have a willingness to learn, and they are uh, being brave to speak English, and they have courage to speak English. So yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
And there's no such a bad accents. Whenever in reality there are a lot of bad accents. Maybe that's for me. Thank you.
Okay, here we go. Thank you very much, mate. Thank you very much for your opinion, mate, Nana. Agnes, now Agnes. Teman-teman, saya punya contoh, teman-teman. Ada orang yang malu dengan logatnya. Tapi kita dengarkan Mbak Agnes dulu deh. Okay, Agnes. Yes, Agnes. Now it's your turn, Agnes. Would you like
Mm,
to give your opinion, please? Let's go.
yeah, I'm agree with accent is doesn't matter, but I think we still have to learn a native speaker or accent because in my experience,
Mhm.
uh, accent is really important because my boss in my company is from India, so he
Okay.
has Indian accents.
Okay.
In some situation,
Mm.
cause his accents, many staff cannot understand what he say. So
Okay.
communication is not going too well. Yeah,
It's not
I
going
think
well.
yeah, I think accent is important, but not to apa ya, discriminate people.
The accent.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Got that. Agnes. Anyway, thank you very much. Guys, if we're talking about the accent, yeah. Some people say American English is a beautiful English. A British English, Harry Potter is a beautiful English. Tapi ada yang bilang Russian English is a bad English accent. Japanese English is a bad English accent. Kalau lihat orang Jepang deh teman-teman ngomong bahasa Inggris itu kuat sekali logat bahasa Jepangnya. Dan kata mereka ini gak bagus teman-teman, bad accent ya. Tapi menurut saya, to me everybody ya, there is no good accent and a bad accent. Mungkin yang disebut bad accent itu adalah ketika kita susah mengertinya. It's hard for us to understand everybody. Probably that's the definition of a bad accent. Tapi saya tidak setuju teman-teman ya, karena logat itu unik teman-teman. Saya punya cerita teman-teman. I have a story everybody. In my office, I have a marketing officer. Di kantor saya teman-teman, saya punya marketing baru. Dia lulusan dari rekrutmen nasional. Orang Brebes teman-teman, anak Brebes. Gen Z, anak Brebes teman-teman, ikut rekrutmen nasional, ditempatkan di Kediri. Saya tinggal di Kediri. Setahun dia jadi CS teman-teman, kemudian dia naik jadi marketing. Setahun 2 bulan. Otomatis kalau jadi marketing kan sering ketemu dengan saya, sering jalan bareng dengan saya kan. Dan saya itu baru sadar ternyata dia dari Brebes teman-teman. Saya nggak tahu kalau dia dari Brebes sebelum dia bilang. Kenapa? Karena dia selalu menyembunyikan logat ngapaknya teman-teman. Well, I disagree with this everybody. I didn't realize that he came from Central Java, from Brebes, everybody. He's trying so hard to cover, to hide his original accent from Brebes, Central Java. I disagree with this. This is unique. Ketika saya tanya, loh mas, jadi dia berusaha keras teman-teman untuk berbicara bahasa Indonesia dan bahasa Jawa seperti saya. Orang Brebes kan bahasanya mungkin berbeda kan, ngapak kan. Saya nggak tahu. Ketika saya tanya, loh mas kenapa kok harus disembunyikan? And he said to me, saya malu mas. Anyway, I disagree with this everybody. Saya tidak setuju dengan ini. Everybody is unique. Every accent is unique. Indian English, they're unique. Ngapak is unique. Logat dari Indonesia Timur contohnya, unik juga teman-teman. Saya disagree. Ya memang kalau kita ngomong logat teman-teman, penting-penting nggak penting sih. Tadi Mbak Agnes bilang, oh saya orang India. Ya saya harus mempelajari logatnya dong, agar instruksinya tepat sasaran. Seperti ini juga. Ada yang bilang juga nggak penting, yang penting pelafalan. Ya betul juga teman-teman. It doesn't matter your accent. The point is your pronunciation, easy to understand. This is a top notch. Yang paling penting adalah pelafalannya teman-teman. Tapi kalau teman-teman pernah ikut tes formal bahasa Inggris ya, yang ada sesi speakingnya, TOEFL, IBT mungkin, atau IELTS. Kalau teman-teman bahasa Inggrisnya bagus, ngomongnya lancar, tapi logatnya masih logat orang Indonesia contoh, teman-teman akan dapat nilai yang lebih rendah dari seseorang yang bahasa Inggrisnya biasa-biasa saja sebenarnya teman-teman. Ya nggak ngeflow, nggak natural, tapi logatnya dapat dia. Entah dia diadopsi bule atau hidup lama dengan bule, sebenarnya bahasa Inggrisnya bagus, biasa-biasa saja. Di bawah yang satunya ini. Tapi yang punya logat itu akan dapat nilai yang lebih baik teman-teman. Well, that's complicated everybody. Sometimes I